Welcome! We are in the mode to respond to the art of Julie Oakes and Christian Bernard Singer. Today we are using black paper in response to Julie Oakes has lots of black backgrounds on her spheres and all over. And Julie actually, we're going to mimic her process a bit. Julie travels a lot. Well, in COVID we are traveling inside today, and she goes and draws pictures of things that she considers bizarre or catch her eye or things that intrigue her randomly while she's at the museum. Choosing colors that inspire me. I think red is the next one, and I think this really appeals to me, so I'm going to put this one, but I'm going to turn my paper upside down because Julie really likes random. It's interesting how this is kind of, in a way, it's the same shape as the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but there's a circle here and it says something on it. What is it? I think it has letters. Really big, and put the stars. Go to the video of Julie's work and you might be inspired by some of her work yourself. It kind of is nice to think about what inspires us about other people's artwork here. There. Okay. Continue on. Do I like? Let's look around. I think the bee might be crawling on top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I think we'll have it here. It's coming down with this body. It's got a leg and 3 sections. It's a wing. A big fuzzy body. Might not look really like a bee, but I think it does look like a bug. Not being too fussy here. And here's his eye. I think he needs some yellow on him, this bee. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? He's got some red on his head. I wonder if there's a way I could have very fine lines going across there. Okay. I'm needing some more. I think I need another bee, and then I might be done. That's fine. Here's a bee. Look at that one. Beautiful bee. What am I going to do it? Fuchsia again. There we are. I'm happy with the neon colors and sporadic and lack of sense in it, but it does have a sense of coherence with a B here and a B here and a star there and Leaning Tower of Pisa. So I think I have my imagery, no bunnies like Julie, but I have different things here. Now I'm going to look at it and think, Julie uses these makeup remover pads and does monoprints. I'm wondering if I could do a monoprint and print it. Maybe I might want to have a veil on it. Is there a part that I want a veil on? I think I'd like a veil on this. I really like that bee. I don't want to hide him with a veil. He's beautiful. I'm going to put this up at the top. Where's my glue? Here's my glue. I'm going to try making a monoprint. A monoprint is when you pick up things and it's different. I wonder if this paint will be like glue. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get some of these really sparklies. Put them on top. Yeah, I want a yellow one. Ooh, I wonder if I can just put a handful and put them all. I'm going to just sparkle them on top and see which ones stick and which ones don't. Oh, that's a very special one. Okay. Well, now that I have so many sparkles on it, I think I definitely have to use it. Where do you think it belongs? I might actually, just so that it's kind of interesting, I'm going to try and sew with this pine needle. So I've used the pine needles, like needles. And now I'm going to stitch this up together again with my pleats. I think I might just take a break, come back to it in 5 minutes and see if it needs anything added. Otherwise, ta-da! We're all set, a la Julie and Christian.